Taal is an active volcano with a massive caldera, with at least 38 recorded eruptions in the last 450 years. Its most recent major eruption is in 2020, prompted evacuations in its surrounding communities while spreading ash across neighboring provinces and regions including Metro Manila. This eruption had a significant impact on the transportation, government, business, and education activities, affecting tens of millions of individuals. The caldera is believed to have informed during a series of prehistoric eruptions between 140,000 and 5,380 BCE. It presently holds the lake, a picturesque expanse of water 100 to 150 meters deep, spanning approximately 265 square kilometers. Within Taal Lake lies Volcano Island, which covers an area of about 24 square kilometers. Volcano Island cradles Great Lake, which is 1.2 square kilometers and contains a prominent rock formation known as Volcan Point. The location of the municipality of Taal itself reflects its dynamic relationship with the volcano. Previously located along the shores of Taal Lake itself, and in the current location of the municipality of San Nicolas, it moved to its present location in response to a massive eruption in 1754. The eruption of 1754 also significantly shaped the ecology of the landscape of the volcano. The Taal Lake was prior to the eruption a saltwater environment, being concerned to the Balayan Bay through the Pansipit River, which was then a navigable channel. The eruption cut off its connection to the sea and the lake, and its ecology evolved into a freshwater environment. Two species in particular reflect an evolutionary adaptation to changing environment, which is what we call the Hydrophis semveri, a rare species of sea snake, and Sardinella tawilis, a species of sardines, are both originally saltwater species and have now evolved and are only found in the freshwater environment of the lake. The submission was dated in July 2, 2024, which is submitted by the Permanent Delegation of the Philippines to UNESCO. This heritage site recognizes two criteria, which is first, the criterion number 2. The towns of the landscape, particularly in Taal, demonstrate the blending of different cultures as a result of colonization in architecture and urban planning, reflected in grand houses and places of worship, including the largest church in Asia, which is the Basilica of St. Martin of Tours, and underscore the richness of the agriculture of the area and the intangible heritage of its products, which is first the barako, which what we call the coffee, burda, the embroidery, and barong, which is the suit for men. The built environment, however, reflects and provides a setting for a deeper exploration of the relationship of the community with the volcano. And then the second one is the criterion number 9. The natural landscape of the Taal is an outstanding example of significant ongoing ecological and biological processes in the evolution and development of ecosystems. The transition of the Taal Lake from a saltwater to a freshwater environment as a result of historically recent volcanic activity, and the resulting endemism and adaptation of its unique fauna. This is unique in the world and captures the dynamism of the processes of evolution as a response to rapid geological change. This includes the globally threatened endemic Hydrophis sympheri, a rare species of sea snake that has adapted to thrive in freshwater conditions found only in Taal Lake, and the endangered endemic Bombon sardine, Sardinia latawilis, or locally known as towilis, the only sardine species known to survive entirely in fresh water. As for the location of this heritage site, this is located in the provinces of Batangas and Cavite in Luzon Island.